Thank you for choosing Brother. The following tutorial will guide you through changing the correction tape on your Brother typewriter. The model in the video may look slightly different or have different features than the model you purchased. Move the carriage to the center of the machine by using the spacebar. Open the clear cover. On the carriage, remove the cassette ribbon. Next, we need to pull off both spools of the correction tape. Start on the right-hand side by pulling it directly out. Feed the correction tape up, pull the left spool off. Unpack a new replacement correction tape. The replacement correction tape has a shiny side and a dull side. Make sure the dull side is facing the roller. Connect the supply spool to the left side of the carriage. Feed the correction tape along the two black posts. Then connect the take-up spool to the right side of the carriage. Turn the take-up spool counterclockwise several times to take away any slack in the correction tape. Now that you've installed the correction tape, reinstall the ribbon cassette. Turn the take-up knob counterclockwise to remove any slack in the ribbon. Close the cover, then press the return key.